Hello everyone, my name is Damru Kunjam and today I am going to explain my project Student Personal App. This is a student uh, portfolio and academic information website. So it contains different pages such as home page, home, profile, course, grade, feedback and contact. I have used HTML for the structure and CSS for styling and designing the user interface. I have also focused on creating a consistent design across all the pages. So first, this is my home page. At the top, I have added the website title student personal app, and below it there is a navigation bar. The navigation bar contains link to home, profile, course, grade, feedback and contact. So I have also added a welcome message that explains the purpose of my website. In the center I have placed a student related logo. For the design I selected a light blue and black color because they give the website a calm, simple and professional look. At the bottom I have added a footer with copyright information. So now I will uh, briefly explain the CSS design used in my project. I have used CSS to control the colors, spacing, borders, fonts, layout, and overall appearance of the website. I have used the CSS box model for different different section and cards. The box model consists of context, padding, border and margin. Padding gives space inside the box, while margin gives space outside the box. So I have also used properties like border radius and box shadow to make the contact cards looking cleaner. So next is my profile page. So at the top I have added my profile image. Below that there is a personal details personal details section, so containing my basic information. So I have divided the remaining content into different cards such as about me, skills, hobbies and goals. So this card based layout create a clear visual, uh, hierarchy, hierarchy and makes the information easy to read. The feedback also appreciated this visual um, hierar- hierarchy on the profile page. So I have used CSS grid for arranging this section into columns. So one smaller screen, the layout can be changed to a single column structure using responsive CSS and media query. So now this is my course page. So here I have displayed three main sections: introduction to HTML, computer fundamental, and last programming fundamental. So each section contains a short description and a list of important topics. I have used card to separate the different courses. CSS is used for the card's size, spacing, border, background and typography. So next is grade page. This page display my academic performance in a table. So the table contains the course name, grade and credit. So I have used HTML table element to create the structure and CSS to style the table. So I have added borders, background colors, padding and element to make the information easy to understand. Okay, according to the feedback, uh, okay, this can be information easy to understand. Okay, so next page is feedback page. So this page contains a feedback form. This one, this page contains a feedback form. You can see the user can enter their name and email section, feedback type, choose a rating, select what they like most about the website, and write a feedback message. Finally, there is a submit button. I have used the HTML form elements such as input field, select option, radio button, and checkboxes and text area. CSS is used to style the form and make the fields look consistent with the rest of the website. So finally, this is my contact page. So it provides different way to contact the website owner. So it contains email, phone number and address and social media link. So it contains so I have used separate content section to keep the information organized. So the same overall color scheme, spacing, border and typography are maintained. So I have to keep the design consistent across the website. So now I will explain the navigation button and over effect like this. So when the user move the mouse over a navigation button like that, it appearance can change. This is called overstate. So over effects provide visual feedback and make the website more interactive and user friendly. The feedback especially recognize this explanation of overstate. So the navigation link also help the user easily move from one page to another page. So another improvement for website responsive design. So this website should work properly on different screen size, including desktop, tablet and mobile devices. So I can use CSS Media Query to change the layout for smaller screens. For the example, the profile page use a multiple columns layout on a large screen, but on a smaller screen the columns can change into a single column layout. So I can demonstrate this by resign to the browser window during the video. Okay, so this was my student personal project. Thank you for watching my project explanation. Thank you.